about coming together and meeting new people over a common interest and common passion, and really being able to grow together and learn together.
I will tell everyone, and especially women, to come to the community days.
Be in the community, meeting new people and talk about their challenges, their perspective of cloud services. So it's really nice here.
By joining the community, you get to learn about new things out, what the other people are doing, how they have actually solved their issues.
And developers are really creative, and when you say here's the whole toolkit, they can build amazing things. I think what we're seeing a lot at the community day today is people discovering what's in the toolkit.
Actually, the interview with Jacqueline, it was like women in technology, neuroscientist, it was heads up.